Hey guys, I'm showing you this camping tent. This is 1 to 2 person, easy setup, portable, small backpacking tents for camping. So this is see the great box for the camping bag that comes with it. You can just take this out. So this is a two-piece tent here with other accessories. So I will show it to you. So this is outdoor. I'm showing the tent setup and everything. So there are two pieces, one the main and then the other with the two accessories like the hooks and the other the main thing like the flexible rod. So you see like the flexible rod and attached up, and this hooks goes in the corner. So this flexible rod comes from the top and then goes to the sides. So this is the top cover I put on that. And so first thing is it's all airy, and then the second one is for the privacy. So you can see a good space inside. I'm just putting my legs in. So this is a good space, and this one is for the privacy, and you can also have one like for this as for the air, the mosquito, to prevent anything that you can shed, because it's like a screen. So this on the top part that you can see, so it's pretty nice and sturdy tent, and very flexible on the side. You can also open it for the whole airy thing, or you can cover for the more privacy. You can see the screen mesh. It's great for preventing the mosquitoes. So overall my impression for this tent is good, and it's sturdy with the base. Like this is the base, so you can just pack it up and take it anywhere you want. So it's a small tent for 1 or 2 person, waterproof.